Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear friends, I am much honored and privileged to talk about Professor Muhammad Haroon Soomro, a legendary teacher of Sahiti region. Sahiti region, which is known for the quality education and number of great teachers. Among such great teachers, Professor Muhammad Haroon Soomro, a professor of English, stands aloft. Professor Muhammad Haroon Soomro taught English at Government Degree College, Kandiaro, and when he used to teach his students as if the classes were the living sources of learning. When he used to teach the poetry of romantic poets as if Wordsworth, Shelley, and Keats themselves were uttering their words, and when he used to teach students one act plays or novels as if Shakespeare and other writers were themselves uttering those words. Professor Haroon Soomro had a privilege of teaching his students with such an inspiration that when I myself learned from him at Government College of Education, Noshur of Feroz, he taught me that a great teacher must have two qualities. A great teacher, according to him, must be a doctor as well as an actor. Doctor in the sense that a teacher must diagnose the disease of his students, and actor in the sense that whatever he teaches, he must perform in a class. Shakespeare tells us that some are born great and some achieve greatness, and to someone greatness is thrusted upon. Professor Haroon Soomro falls into the category of first two groups. He was born great because he was born into the family of teachers. His entire family is related with this noble profession, and then he achieved greatness and excellence through his teachings. I had once read that an average teacher teaches, a good teacher guides, but an ideal teacher inspires. So Professor Haroon Soomro fell into the category of ideal teachers. He inspires thousands of his students, and they, after learning from him, contributed into the well-being of society. His students became bureaucrats, but the bureaucrats of a class. His students became teachers, but again the teachers par excellence. Today we are here to commemorate the greatest services rendered by Professor Muhammad Haroon Soomro, and I feel much honored while speaking with you. I am grateful to Professor Namatullah Soomro for providing me this opportunity that I must speak some words in praise of this great teacher. So a great teacher always leaves a legacy behind. So in Sahiti region of Sindh, which is the region of learning, which is the region of academic excellence, will always commemorate and pay homage to the services of Professor Muhammad Haroon Soomro. Such teachers are our inspiration, and this inspiration will continue through generations. Thank you very much.